Hi friends, welcome to my channel TechWall. Please share and subscribe my channel. Today topic is creating edu email in 15 minutes. So don't skip my video. So first click on VPN. So connect to USA. So it's waiting to connect. So use browser for privacy. So I will provide all links in description. So first we have to apply to college for edu email. So open notes and copying the first link YCCD edu admissions. So it's an USA college. So paste and open. So we have to click on apply now. So we scroll down up and click on apply now. So it's running. So create an account. So it's taking some time, so please wait, don't skip any part, otherwise you will confuse. So go create my account, click on. So first we have to giving in legal name. So remember that legal name which you have created. So check the box of middle name which you don't have any middle name. So your so click on no. So you don't have any primary name, so I click on no. So another time I click on yes. So no, sorry, so we don't any preferred name, so we want only name. So give the date of birth. So remember that month of the date of birth. So it is useful to password. So password is already created. So it is created by your date of birth and SSN. So click on, so we have SSN number, tax paying number. So for that we have to click on new tab and I have open and link ssnverify.com. so I also provide this link on description. So copy that link, so paste on it. So we have gotten, so it's running, wait. So we want to verify, we don't want to verify, so we want a SSN generator. So click on three dots and we click on SSN generator, generate. So we got a SSN number. So remember that SSN number, otherwise I will tell you last the password verification. So you don't want to remember, so I will tell you a small trick. So first we have to give our Outlook mail. So I am giving my Outlook mail, I type manually. So you have to give Gmail also, but I preferred Outlook, so please use Outlook mail. So if you want to create Outlook mail, so go to Chrome and search Outlook. Like Gmail also we are creating that Outlook. So I'll try to copy, but it's not taking credentials, so I take another copy. No, so we have type manually in that box. So type manually because I am in outlook.com. so please use Outlook mail, I preferring. So telephone, so we want to give fake address. So I have also that link fakeaddressgenerator.com. so I will give this link in description, copy that link from that. So this is for only educational purpose, I am not responsible for any illegal activities by you. So copy the phone number and paste on it. So we have to copy the second phone number. So go to that page and copy that mobile number, so paste on it. So permanent address, so we have to give the permanent address. So click on the first box and we have to agree that. So giving permanent address. So we have the fake address generator. So in that we got city and state and all the details. So fill it on this. So city, copying and paste, just do copy and paste. State వచ్చేసరికి CA. So I am using Telugu and English also, so it is very useful to understand. So many guys who don't know English and who don't know Telugu, so I am using two languages. Sometimes here postal code we have to copy and pick your country. So we have to choose USA, but it not a country. It's not a country, but we have to choose another Canada or New York. So New York is also a city, so we have to choose Canada. So go to top and click on Canada. So click on Canada. So we have to got it Canada. So click on Canada. So continue. So username, password. Username you have to give in your username. So it's not valid, so we have to give an username of having letters, numbers and a special character. So in that I am pausing my password. So after filling the password, you have to got security questions, so answer all of them with your what you like. If the password recovery, we have to given the answers. So don't mind give actual answers. If you have case of password recovery, it's very useful. So select Crossbox and click on verify and create my account. So your account will created. So continue, click on continue. So first we have to submit our application, and then we have to choose an administrator, like what we have to study and like that. So wait, it takes some time. So it's coming. So first enrollment information, so give it. So give the course you have like. So continue. So give me first tick on box. My mailing address is my study address. So college status, so give that what you like. So it's not a issue. So give anything. So your year was 2000. So no. So yes, USA. So Lake California, I think. No, California. So give anything, New York or anything. So I'll choosing New York. And Lakewood High School, I know. So you know any high school, so give that high school. So give any number. I prefer 3 or 4. So anything, A plus or B plus or A minus or B minus. So give anything. So continue. So citizenship, US citizen, military none. So yes, so leave that blanks. I filled, but they asking numbers, so don't fill that. So leave it all the blanks. So I try to fill anything, but don't do. So leave it all the blanks. Don't keep tick mark on that box. Leave it. I telling that leave it. So yes, so all the boxes no. So leave it that box. So special residency categories. So we have to know and continue. So main languages, so financial status, no, yes, no, anything you give, yes, no, many things, select 3. So give the what is your gender and all the things. So don't mind any, give the any details, then not check your details. So give any, but it have a correct formation or anything. So read the question and give the correct answer. So you are in America, so white, British. So go to that, all agree, click on agree by checking, yeah, submit my application. So please do one thing, screenshot this form, it is useful for password. So your password must be, I tell you that what is the password. So we have a mail that of confirmation of your application. So I told you that please screenshot that, it very useful. So we have to copy. So I don't want to do this in Chrome for privacy purposes. I want to copy the link and go to Brave browser, and we have to perform. So I have to copy our username in our Outlook mail. They send our username. So you don't know password. So password is the first capital letter of your first name and first lowercase next letter is. So I will tell. Wait. So password, I'm skipping my password. So give the security reasons. So I'll give you password instructions. I'll give in that in your instruction. Please do like that. So give all security reasons. So try to another login ID. So same. So you give me your email address, Outlook email, and they send a OTP. So give your Outlook. I'll show you all of them. So please wait. Don't skip any Don't skip any part. You can't understand. So wait. Continue. Click on continue. So we have to log into our Edu email. So Edu email is logging to one-time password is our OTP. We got an OTP to our Outlook mail. So open it and you got. So copy our one-time password. So paste on it. Click on continue. So click on that. Try to login. Click on that. Try to login. So click on login. So you have gotten your Edu email. So click on email office. So sometimes it's showing error. So you have to wait for 1 day, and we have to log in another time. So but I got access early, so I tell you that. So Edu email creation in 15 minutes. So it's working. So please share and subscribe my channel and don't skip the video. So I give you the password instructions in the last. So I told you that opening. So it is the inbox of our edu email. So I'll give you that, click on that. So your edu email is also done. So please share and subscribe my channel.